The best story I've got and why I love Monmouth College is my freshman year, I ended up going skiing in Aspen, Colorado during Christmas break. I was supposed to be back in school on a Monday right after New Year's, and instead I was out in Aspen skiing. On that Thursday of that week, there was a phone call. It was Dr. Jean Liedman. She answered the phone. I said, "Hello." She said, "Peter, where are you?" I said, "I'm in Aspen, Colorado." She said, "You had missed the first 3 days of my class. Peter, if you are not back here on Monday, I'm calling your mother." That's what I loved about this school is the instructors cared about me.
I knew I needed a biology credit, but I didn't want to sit and memorize a bunch of stuff about biology. So instead, I went to the head of the department. "Aren't you going to be doing a special course during that 3-week period between Thanksgiving and Christmas?" Which I knew that professors would do. That was something they were really, really passionate about. And I love passion. Dr. Buchholz said, "Yeah, I'm thinking about taking a group down to Big Pine Key to study marine biology." And I said, "Sign me up. I'm the first one on the list." That's what Monmouth was to me. I could go to professors and ask them to help me in some way, and they always said yes. I love Monmouth.